So here we have the 60-degree double strip ruler, and we've got templates running across the top edge of the ruler here, and these are accurate templates when you cut them out as well in the middle. Along the bottom edge is a normal 2.5 inch wide ruler for cutting your own 2.5 inch wide strips. These rulers have a non-slip grip running all the way along the edge of the ruler, and there's plenty of non-slip grip along the templates, the area where you need it the most. At the bottom of each template is a circular cutout area. This enables your rotary cutter to cleanly cut beyond the strip every time. So now let's see the ruler in use. Before we start, I just wanted to explain the non-slip grip that features on all our rulers. This is the 60-degree double strip ruler, but when you place it onto fabric, you can see how easy it is to move it around. So it's great for getting it in the correct position. And when you put slight pressure on it, that's when the grip grips your fabric and enables accurate rotary cutting. So now let's cut a 2.5 inch wide strip using the double strip ruler. So you simply move the ruler across your fabric until the line lines up with the edge of the fabric there. And you can see the bottom line of the templates and the 2.5 inch line there. So now we can spread a hand across the whole ruler. You've got the ruler and the triangle, so you can spread it all across and then simply cut your strips of fabric like that. But remember, you can cut multiple strips at the same time. Okay, so we've used the 2.5 inch side of the ruler to cut our 2.5 inch strips. So now you just sew them together with a 1/4 inch seam. But at this stage I just wanted to show you that what I've done is I've sewn two 1.5 inch strips together and added those to a 2.5 inch wide strip. So I just want to show that you can get a really nice bold design going through the block. Okay, so we turn the ruler around, so you've got the triangles, and then as before we just line the triangles up, and again just check the central dotted line that runs through all of the triangles, and the top edge of the fabric lines up with the top edge of the ruler, and the bottom edge lines up with the bottom of the triangles. So now we're ready to cut some 60-degree triangles. But don't forget that all these are accurate, the ones in between as well. So we spread a hand across, avoiding the circle area, and we're ready to cut. Move your hand across. And again, that's going it beyond the fabric and into the circle area. And the last one. So there's the wastage on the end. And there you have your 60-degree triangles all cut out. So with those pieces that we've just cut, just want to show how quickly it is to start putting them together. So here we have our 60-degree triangles. So what I'm creating now is the pinwheel. So you'd attach that one there, across the seam there, flip that open, and then attach the next one to that one there. And once you've sewn those together, I mean, this is a totally different looking block. And then you've got a really wonderful looking block there. Or you could create a pinwheel effect. And you'd attach that one to that one across there and press it open, and then add your next one. So across there, press open, and then you'd make two halves, and then you join the halves down the middle. And this is another colourway. That one there. So you get a lovely pinwheel effect. Also done alternating colours here, so you get a lovely little hexagon in the middle and around the edge, and another one in another colourway, just to give you different colourways. Then it does also create a lovely 60-degree border. So I've got my piece there, and this is the 60-degree border, and then I just add the next one onto the end there. Okay. I also wanted to show you what they look like when we've used two 1.5 inch strips and joined them to a 2.5 inch strip. So really lovely designs with a great pinwheel going through there. So you just join them exactly the same way as I showed you before. It just depends how you cut the strips out and which colourway you want to go with.